Yo, guysini, angeke shem umangwabe I or toxic. Hello and let's unpack Uthando Nesithembu. So guys, we know that on the previous two episodes of Uthando Nesithembu, they were on a family trip, and surprisingly, it seems like things were going very well on the trip. Listen, all the wives were getting along. Yes, things started a bit off on breakfast, but things got better. You know, they even played family games. They got along. They were happy. They were laughing until on the last dinner that they had as a family, where I think it was time to shoot. You know, I think they are always given a time slot that when they will start shooting. So because Umusa then informed all the wives that they will have dinner, the last dinner, and I think it will be the time for shooting. So therefore, Umangwabe decided to get ready for the dinner and for shooting. You know, she wanted to appear on TV looking all good, which I get. I mean, she's a woman, she should. But she knew when was the dinner gonna start. You know, she should have prepared herself earlier, but she didn't. So it seems like almost I maybe called her and scolded her for being late and be like, listen, you cannot be late. You need to be here. We cannot wait for you. The dinner is gonna get cold, this and that. Umangwabe got angry with Omosa, you know, saying that she should come back and have dinner with the rest of the family. Baby girl got angry and she came or appeared on the table. As you can see here, she have a very beautiful flowery earring, and on the other ear there is nothing. So her explanation ukuthi ubengasitholi istopa selinye icici. Vele guys, inini istopa ngesilungu? I wonder ukuthi yini istopa ngesilungu, but uthi ubengasitholi lana istopa selinye icici. So therefore, because she was already being shouted at and being scolded by Umusa for being late, she just decided to come to dinner with one earring, which was funny, you guys. It was very funny. And umakhumalo lana uyahleka and uyasho ukuthi no, it's okay. I mean, after all, it's just wearing one earring, so it's okay. You can go and wear both the earrings, you know. Umusa uthi no, we have already waited for her. It's enough, you know. She knew that dinner will start at a particular time. She should have been ready way before. No, okay. So umangwabe guys, nami bengayi expectanga ukuthi usecasuke ukucasuka like ucasuke lokwangempela. Bengicabanga ukuthi nje, you know, ugirl udiniwe. And ke umakhumalo uyahleka lana, you know, akayithathi serious le ndaba yokuthi umangwabe usekwatile. And this is why I'm saying umangwabe is toxic. I'm sorry guys, but you will remember also on Mosa's birthday party that Umangwabe was legit the last one to arrive, and her excuse was she had to get ready. Tobile as well was the last one to arrive, which all that acts, I found it very, very, very disrespectful that they all couldn't just honor their husband on his birthday party. But Umangwabe, for being schooled for coming late at dinner, I really don't understand why she is a drama. Mangwabe is the drama. Because ngicela ngitsheleni ukuthi yini indaba uMangwabe evele wathukuthela guyzini. And Umusa lana he's calling everyone to come in and join in the table, the kids, you know. Usineke guyzini uyirelaxela ugirl nephone. Of phone usine ukhohliwe ukuthi uceliwe phela umacele ukuthi ezoncedisa ingane ngokudla nani ubaby girl uyicofela ifone. Umangwabe ke uthi nje yena uvele nje waphelelwa ngisho na appetite nje wacikeka acika ukuthi uyathethiswa. The funny part ukuthi uma Khumalo lana usayihlekela, usayihlekela indaba kaMangwabe ukuthi phela unecici elilodwa. It seems like uma Khumalo at first bengayithatha serious indaba ukuthi hayibo uMangwabe unecici elilodwa, and udiniwele ukuthi nje unecici elilodwa noma ubiziwe kudini. Like guys, honestly speaking, I honestly understand ukuthi into yokuthi uMangwabe unecici elilodwa ibingaze mkwatise to the extent ukuthi uduba ngisho ukudla. Baby girl wathi nje uphelelwe ngisho nayi appetite, futhi vele i-trip ibisiphelile, vele kade sekuyilanga lokugcina e-tripini, so therefore yena nje ubengasasiboni isidingo sokuthi eqhubeke ehlale ku-trip ne-appetite ke vele yakhe ke ibingasekho ke bisiku-0. Ayi ngeke guys, uMangwabe is the drama. uMangwabe is the drama. You know one thing about Khumalo, ugel uyathanda ukuyihlekela, and that's one thing that I think we have all realized about Khumalo. No matter a situation ingaba njani, ugel uzo try ukuthi diffuse ngokuhleka. I think she's just that one person or prefer ukuhleka than ukwata ukudinwa. And I think I love her character. I do, and I know ukuthi sometimes, a personality is something that you are born with. You cannot help yourself, but it's just who you are. So that's who she is. She loves of things, and uyasho lana ukuthi no yena ubezama ukuhleka, ukuthi kungabi ne-tension kakhulu etafuleni, but uyabona manje ukuthi ngathi nokuhleka kwakhe seku-wrong ke at this point. So uvele wa-decide ukuthi perhaps nami by herself laughing, she is also the problem, or she is adding to the problem, because uMangwabe unokuthi ebengcono, and realizes ukuthi no, people are joking around about this thing ukuthi akanali icici nani noma ukuthi unecici elilodwa, instead of herself just to realize ukuthi no, this is a joke, people are joking about it, and just leave it like that. She got more mad, and she got into a point where she's leaving. She's packing her bags, and she's like, nope, let me leave, And now, I think that's just one thing that was just an eye-opener. I don't know for most, but for me, it was just an eye-opener, because, like, guys, I refuse to believe ukuthi lingenza umuntu ukuthi edube ngisho ukuthi nje kuthiwa yeka lento osuyenza wazohlala phansi udle lokho nje kuphela. Like angeke guys, no, Mangwabe shows the drama, because I'm failing to understand ukuthi ngempela ubedinelwe ini, because she looked presentable, guys. She looked presentable, and even ngisho uMusa, when perhaps Musa was shouting or whatever, asekuzwanga thina lokho, because it was not shown on TV. So angeke sethi hawaswa ngithethisa kangaka phambi kwabantu base TV. One thing that can make me angry, that can annoy me, is when maybe my partner shouts or scolds at me in front of everybody, instead of just calmly talking to me ukuthi lalela, si late for dinner, buya, come and sit down, let's have dinner. So uMusa did not rudely shout at and disrespected uMangwabe ngendaba yecici. Nanokuthi indaba yecici imentionwe wuyi ukuthi unecici elilodwa, we were just never gonna know. So I think uMangwabe, she loves just being the center of the attention, and honestly, for that reason alone, it just makes her to look toxic in a way, because she left her kids there. Her kids were still having dinner. Now this is her, she got up, she went and prepared her things. Kids are coming on the table trying to eat. Mangwabe uyasukuma, uyahamba, uyopakisha into zakhe, and she's leaving. She is legit leaving. She uthi nje nakayingeni. She does not even care that kids still needs, because she have young kids as well. They still need to have their dinner. They still need to have their last dinner, because she lost her appetite, it does not mean that the kids lost the appetite as well. So I think she decided that, she's just gonna leave her kids behind, and she's just going. And I'm just like, no Mangwabe, no. Akuyona indlela yokuphila ke leyo. akuyona at all. Hayi ke usine inkosi yami esecommentayo ngoMangwabi, hey. And nangoke uShibase uyafika ke, so I think Shibase was late. Shibase was very late for the dinner. One thing that I noticed that I want to say is that uShibase, she was late, but I think akathethiswanga ngendlela uMangwabi athethise ngayo, because uShibase bengakwatile nobe right, you know. So which also makes me wonder ukuthi if mhlawumbe uMusa ngempela bathethisile before the camera start shooting, indaba ethethisa uMangwabi yedwa for being late, because uShibase also arrived late. But guys, one thing that I also noticed ukuthi uma yena inkosi yami uthe uma engena lapha wabingelela wathi sanibonani, uThobile akangavuma guys, waqhubeka nezingane. I think she was just trying to, you know, make sure maybe or dish up for the kids or help the kids dish themselves, something like that. But nje akashongo guys ukuthi yebo, personally mina angimzwanga. Please now guys, you can go and watch the previous episode of Uthando Nesithembu ningitshela ukuthi uThobile uvumile now wathi yebo the time ebingelelwa uShibase, which makes me wonder what kind of a relationship ngempela uThobile benoMayeni abanayo. It's a very off-leash relationship la uyabona nje ukuthi hayi ngeke la ku-tense mntaka dead ku-tense lokwangempela, you know, because there is no way ukuthi uThobile ubingelelile ulona wayithulela not uThobile njalo uMayeni ubingelela uThobile but uThobile wayithulela. That's not right guys. uMayeni ke lana uyafika uyabuza ukuthi uzohlala phi, uMusa uyasho ukuthi it's fine ungahlala la, this chair is not taken. And then ulontusana ke uMayeni uyalontuza uyabona naye ukuthi eni ku bad, because uMangwabi is actually preparing to leave, right? She does say lana ukuthi yazini, one thing about this family, one thing that you must do in this family, you must just mind your own business. Mind your own business. That's the only thing that has helped the family to get to the point where they are at right now. It's just through minding your own business. Ungabuzi lutho, udle, uhambe erumini lakho uhambe. And honestly guys, I do feel like this dinner was just spoiled by one person, uMangwabi. Angi-understand ngempela ukuthi yini ndaba uMangwabi ethathe into yecici wayenza i-big issue kangaka. Like angi-understand, like I am failing to understand, absolutely failing to understand. Also guys, nale ndaba yokuthi dinner mele idliwe like sidle sonke as a family every time, kwalokho nje at some point kuyacika ngempela guys. I feel like uMusa naye uyayithanda into ethethisayo, you know. Sometimes I know that they are in a family trip, they are on a vacation and all that, kodwa nje ngesinye isikhathi kuyadingakala ukuthi umuntu nomuntu elontuze. Kuyadingakala ukuthi umuntu eyidlela idina yedwa ke sometimes, or uyidle nezingane zakho, yabona uvela ukuthi hayi mina nomndeni wami sizoyidlela namhlanje idina, sihluphi umuntu, you know, asifuni libele sicela abantu. But ke uMusa, it seems like he's the one who always insists ukuthi family must get together and kudliwe idina kuhlangenwe kuwumndeni. Guys, yazi indaba kaSneh yangiwarisha indaba kaSneh, because at some point ngicabanga ukuthi hey uSneh ngathi lapha ekhanda nje, you know, kunespeaker nje sodwa esingashayelekile kahle sadinga ukokotelwa, because and sometimes I understand that she experienced so much trauma in her life. First of all, she lost her mom at a very, very, very young age. Secondly, she was left with one parent, uMusa. Guys, I can say ukuthi uMusa neglected uSneh, because by that time, guys, uSneh semncane, uMusa, his main focus kwakuyisithembu sakhe, you know. Kwakukwenza sure ukuthi isithembu sakhe mhlambe uyabakhela amakhosikazi akhe izindlu, ebaprovidele and make sure that they get along, bazohlala bonke. You know, you can just tell ukuthi it was not easy for uMusa to get those wives together, behlale bonke futhi emzumbe. And by then uSneh is going through trauma ukuthi she's young, she's a baby girl, she lost her mom. And by the time that she reached the teenager stage, I can attest to ukuthi maybe the first ever time usne anyone ever complimented usne what how umuhle sne or anything of that nature, it was a boy, an outside boy, umfana emshela, phela vele ke umfana mezokushela uzoqala ekuncome ethi awazwa muhle, bese sithi ngiyakuthanda. And even those words, angicabanga ukuthi uMusa ubejwayele ukumtshela usne, as the only parent who's left ukuthi ethi ngiyakuthanda sne umuhle mntanami nani. You get, because as a parent you have to assure your child ukuthi ngiyakuthanda, just be affectionate with your child. Something tells me ukuthi uMusa ubengakwenzi lokho kusne. Something seriously tells me ukuthi uMusa ubengakwenzi lokho. And therefore usne, when she first became a teenager, ebona abafana bethi bayamthanda muhle, nayo bejabula ukuthi hakwanti kumuhle, hakwanti kuyathandwa, because ekhaya unobaba yakhe obsessed ngesithembu. Not to even say obsessed ngesithembu, but his main focus kwakuyisithembu ukudlula usne. So therefore usne, now this leads to usne to not get along with her stepmothers, especially uMaKay noMangwabe, probably because, especially for uMaKay ngizomkhulumela, angazi ukuthi uMangwabe, why couldn't she become a stepmom to usne? But uMaKay, guys, ngiyamkhulumela because uMaKay noSne, they are legit the same age group. So uMaKay, when it comes to that ngiyamkhulumela, guys, probably it is alleged ukuthi uMaKay noMusa, they met when uMaKay was 18. So which means that uMaKay was 18 and usne was 14. Tell me, how is an 18-year-old girl expected to be a stepmom to a 14-year-old? How? She just probably couldn't play that role at all. She probably couldn't, she probably couldn't play the role of being a stepmom to usne. And this lead to usne to feel some type of way, to feel like probably uMaKay doesn't like her, or maybe for the relationship to just never be fully established, between usne and uMaKay. And honestly speaking, let's say uMaKay didn't even try, I probably understand. Probably it can be difficult for anyone to be a stepmom to someone who's only 4 years younger than you. 4 years younger than you. How? Even if they're wrong, guys, how do you then tell someone who's 4 years younger than you, say, hey, you're wrong? Like, it's difficult. It's very difficult because also you think you know better than me just because you are 4 years older than me. Difficult. So for the near fact to go to a relationship between uMaKay and usne, I think that much. I probably understand what it was just probably close to impossible for uMaKay to establish that relationship. However, uMaKay, uMaKay, guys, I think she's one person who forgives. She's one person who probably will see heaven one day. That's just how much she forgives and puts things behind her. Like that woman know how to forgive, no matter, even if usne ngayaku podcast FM khulume kabi, but uMaKay, even on the family trip, she even chose usne to be part of her of her team when they were playing games. She was like, ngizokhetha usne mina ukuthi eze ebela ingcenye team yami, kwasho ukuthi usne ke akafuni ke yena ukuparticipate ngokwakhe. But guys, uMaKay, when it comes to forgiveness, please leave that woman. Leave her alone because she can forgive. Now guys, uMusa waze wasincisha istoryline sika babakhe. Nango phela uMakhwela sesibuzela lapho sathi siyabonga Makhwela, danko Makhwela ngokusibuzela phela indaba engaka, But uMusa wathi lalela, akuna storyline enizosithola lana sika babami lutho next. He just didn't want to talk about it at all. However, guys, ezimnandi ukuthi wonke umuntu osomzube uzothola indlu. You get a house, you get a house, you get a house. Everyone is getting a house. It seems like all the wives are helping to buy, honestly, because uMusa had to go and apply for a personal loan to manage to finance the new houses that are going to be purchased. So this tells me ukuthi honestly, everyone is participating, you know, probably because all the wives have pay slips. You know, Umangwabe, she's a nurse, she does have a pay slip. She may not be getting paid much, but she have a pay slip. And Umayeni also, she's working on government, so she does have a pay slip as well. So probably they combined all the pay slips and went and applied for a personal loan to get a house. Except ke Uma Khumalo, mama, a hard-working mama. It seems like she is purchasing her house for herself with her own established company. Because guys, Uma K, guys, in the way that woman wears designer, like she is always and forever wearing designer clothes, and which makes you wonder as a person goes, hi bolo, ma'am. Designer kangaka. So I think we are all answered when it comes to that. She is well accomplished, you know, she is well accomplished. She have a company that generates her more than enough money. And yeah, so I think we will all be foolish to say we are not proud of Uma Khumalo. I am so proud of her. That woman, she's hardworking and she deserved each and everything. Now, guys, yeah, that's the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, you'd give this a video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one when, of course, I am bringing you more reviews. So then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.